One bottle on its own. Oh, it's a nice day today, guys. It is a beautiful day. Kept my fucking indicator on. Whoops. Oopsie daisies. Next job. Post a parcel. Oh, it's lovely and dry today. Absolutely stunning weather. Let's pick up the pace a little bit, guys. It's fucking almost at last. And they're slow in the post office. So apologies for not having the this camera on yesterday on my first ride back. I didn't want to take it just in case I wasn't actually getting the bike, although I didn't want to take it anyway because, well, it's effort. And that's the problem, see, once you get more cameras, more work you're gonna have to do to keep on top of it. But I'm glad she's back, even though she still has the EFI fucking issue. Fucks me off. Let's go! Oh my god. Right, while I've still got you guys, I wanted to talk about what I've been recently getting into. A little venture. I haven't spent any money on it yet. Oh, tell a lie, I spent £2. But that's because I was testing stuff out, making sure everything was synchronized, yada yada yada. So I've been getting into fucking cryptocurrency and yeah, investing, selling, buying, you know, all that fun joyful stuff. Thanks to Strutters. Link to his channel in the description below. He just recently traded his LXR for a KTM Duke 125. Nice little beast. I've still yet to see it and ride the boy. Ah, my foot keeps getting fucking stuck. Whoa, into it. Right, let's get to work. Yeah. No, there's no 6th gear. Oh, God. Why? Why, Lord, why? Why don't you give it a 6th gear? It's because it's Chinese. Well, there is Chinese bikes with 6 gears, but yeah. Like the newer Euro 6 ones, there's loads of those. Stay in that fucking lane. Tight squeeze. Woo! That's the one good thing about this bike. It's so tiny. You can like slap it through it. Right, fuck that, we're waiting on that. I'll filter my ass down there. Down to the bottom. Hopefully I'll hit a light. I've got like a 2-litre bottle of fucking cola. Oh, that's one way to skip the queue, my friend. That is one way. Or get a bike and do what I'm doing. Ah, we don't like last lane changes. Get out my way. Revving their engine at me. That's one thing they tell you in the test not to do. Anyways, if you like this video, click the like button, throw a comment down below, and please subscribe. It all helps the channel out. It always does. And I appreciate every single subscriber I have today, tomorrow, and the next day. Because at the end of the day, you're doing me a favor by staying with me.